Greetings, greetings, greetings from Speak My Mind. Greetings, greetings. What's up, Speak My Mind family? Greetings, Carly Perez, Donna Marie, Guyanese, Desleen Smith, Alicia Gill, and Deborah Frank. Greetings, greetings, greetings for the festive season. Greetings. Speak My Mind family, what's up? I don't know what to do. Don't let me tell you enough to do the do. As you hit the video, you just hit the thumbs up, double press, bang, bang. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, go hit the subscription button now. And please remember to continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. And remember the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Continue to support that channel. Life is a Mission TV. And remember the Young Entrepreneur College student. Link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section pin. It now costs $1 to subscribe to no channel. You understand? Not even $1. It now take off no gigabyte, megabyte, gigabyte or arabyte. You understand? Nothing at all. No data now come off. Just give a subscription. Alright? And remember the Cash App pin in the comment section. You ask for it, you get it. Life is a Mission TV. $, Life is a Mission TV. Alright, so people, this one yeah, me I tell you. Cause me say, Chyn, me did a warn you. Before it too late, you never know, say master, I go rush you while you get me did a warn you. Chyn, before it too late, you never know, say master, I go rush you while you get. A good thing is a woman have ripe banana, you have ripe pear and ripe breadfruit, and you have the coconut, them will dry down a ground. So you stone master, you have make sure run off of your ground, but me did a warn you. Before it too late, you never know, say master, I go rush you while you get, me did a warn you. Chyn, before it too late, you never know, say master, I go rush you while you get. What's up again, people? Boy, people, Marcia run out pan reasoning with Chyn Trang. Hey, hey. Some part type me if you want to play. Chyn, you so long me did I want you to buy your bulletproof and take cover. When you call war, you can't too brave. You have to have on your bulletproof, and you have to have on your helmet. You have to gears up, you know, because you don't want to get hurt in the war. You understand? And remember, when Marcia come to chip the cloth gun, you know, you know what that means, so you have to bulletproof up, you know. And people in the same video. I don't know if I can get the two in one half, I'm going to make two different videos. All Dana she insert. And she come back with the same old story how Dana fi carry Joshie go emancipation park. Joshie tell you say him want emancipate. Big old woman like you when emancipate all now. And you fi go emancipation park go get yourself emancipate. You talk about Devon now, so come and place them there, you tell the woman fi carry her picnic where everybody pack up in holiday time. You know see a flight Joshie take Marcia. Curly, you know see a flight Joshie take your grandson's first birthday and you live in America and you never plan to drive because it was too hectic to drive because your back no good. But you still couldn't find $200 or $300 to take one flight go over the state when they. And now you are come tell the woman what to do with fear picnic. Look at you. Who you? Who is you? Eh? Tell me now, your child's first birthday and you couldn't go. And you come and tell the woman where to take Joshie. People, gonna stay tuned, but prepared, because I know our mouths there. Get the ace bud, people. Ace bud, ace bud.
They can't do it out here. Me paparazzi them over YouTube. I just pass over them. I see the one we call Reasoningz or we then call Chyn. When me not like. The little hypocrite bitch ass girl there. She over there discuss about this or somebody have something upon me. And if I'm afraid to go to work house, and how he must have something upon me, because me never come out and react certain way and certain way. Girl, go suck your blood clot, man. Bitch ass Reasoningz over YouTube. And go get a blood clot life, you bitch. And that if you go do. You know me not like you from morning. And that if you go do. A time over there discuss, me go worry about what secret you have. Not a blood clot, y'all not a pussy clot boy on Facebook. Friend and no blood clot, friend or acquaintances and family. Have no fucking secret for this and girl name and say me get me no fucking workhouse. So go suck your blood clot, daddy dirty girl. Let me make it clear. No bumbo clot body. We have family or blood clot acquaintances. Man will fuck me, married to me the blood clot. Don't have no pussy clot secret for me that can incriminate me in the blood clot United States of America if you get me in no blood clot bar. Go and suck your daddy bitch.
Me I look for your phone. Me put it down. Me finger your phone. Me don't know right there. Right there.
Go or get a life.
Nasty.
Go and get a life, bitch. Chyn over YouTube.
We are more nasty.
Very sickening. For when you pass over YouTube, you go play a little song, or play a little, or just to listen to something, I get some information. When I hear me, put a thumbs up. When I hear me, put.
I know that make you go over YouTube, man. You go over YouTube, you go fast. What kind of song you can go over YouTube go want to play? When you see one say better if you play your song over Facebook. Because you play a song over YouTube, your life if you get strike. So you come now at all when you go over YouTube, if you go look for something, or if you go play two music, what kind of music you want to come play on YouTube? And now you see one say something. You come over YouTube for fast on the people, them page and where go on. You know, buck up in or nothing. We know your eye cock, but you know, buck up in or nothing. Because you see what you want to see clearly and cock your eye upon what you don't want to see. You go on like you're too smart. Like you take people for idiot.
And see these motherfucker, every fucking thing them hear on social media, them try to put it in a for them way. Go on like say them want incriminate people. That blood clot not gonna work, bitch ass Chyn. When you reason nobody so. I don't care. Go jump off a blood clot flat bridge, bitch, at Jamaica. And go do yourself a blood clot for Christmas. You're too fucking fast. And that you not come from social media for do every fucking thing on a year. And everything on a see in people's life. First of all, none of you do know nothing about me. More than when me come and talk say. Me live in a blood clot America how much years. I want to know nothing about me.
So where you don't go at the Queen was? As she a sting off for you? The Queen was a sting off for you as she ever go at? How will she say we talk? Shot that water bottom and come tell me say whale down there. Me I go believe. Because him a come from down there. Me no want to go down there go see where down there. Him don't tell me. So if Queen was come out come say what she said. We are going to pick his sense out of the nonsense to go get $2. And when we get $2 we are going to penny. And which part you think we are going to penny? But YouTube we are going penny. So if you no want to accept what we say, you have to go to the was first. Because she make we know and she give you the information. You were like...
I'll no care sit down and talk about who blood clot broke from who no broke.
Like
who
you.
Have house from who no have no house. Who stagnant from who no stagnant. Me better than all of no blood clot where you chat and me not have to know. Me I tell you no bitch ass right now on social media. You cover there talk about how me come and go and like me better than...
How she work out that? 100 people. Me did delete the calculator from my phone, so I'm back on a minute there. Let me see if I can calculate where she that. Because I don't know how she work out that. Let me see where me get. Better than uno. More than uno in a social media. Plus. Better. Plus uno. Equal. A 0. Right. Better. Plus uno equals 0. Me do the maths. Maths say, oh, you better off than people on social media. And no discrimination. And no scandal. No homelessness. And nothing I call on for nobody we know about in a social media. So you better off than we. We have seen where you're depressing social media. We see where you're embarrassing social media. We see where, you know, you get notice and eviction letter and all them sitting there put out in social media. We see where jail and jail and jail and jail and jail and jail and jail. Every minute we hear about jail, 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 and you know who me I talk about. So how you better off than people in social media we don't hear that are going with nobody else? So why your business can't come on road and everybody wants to stay at them yard? Something wrong with you, Marcia. You're mad? But you're better off. A zero that equal.
And people, I mean, whatever, what happen? You want to put on my blood clot pride? If me sister me better than you in a certain way, of course I'm going to say it. What you want to come say? You're better than me? What you want to come do? Put a bitch ass girl or anyone on a blood clot on Facebook over me? If me know my characteristic and what I've been through and who I am, the experience I have, well, me must come put my
she can't call big word, but she can't do maths.
Me must come put my my accolades over you when my one is greater than you.
Big words.
Bitch ass girl.
Pay big words. When I can't talk to Marcia. Pay big words she use. Accolades, characteristic.
What you want to do? What you want to do? What you want to come up here? Come put on. What you want to do? Come up here. Come put on myself.
No. She want you come up here. Come be yourself. Not put on yourself. Be yourself. You're hungry. You're hungry. Don't come pretend like your belly full. And at the same time, you're hungry. Nobody never asks you if you're hungry. So you never need to come on social media. Come tell nobody say you're hungry. You understand? But your loved one come say your belly full when you're hungry. So that's what they are saying. You're to be yourself. And stop being somebody else. And stop living off of somebody else's expense. Stop going like you're this Tappanaris. You understand? That's what the people them are saying. Be yourself. Just be yourself.
Huh?
Nothing more of is asked of you. Just
what
be
you
yourself.
want me to do? You want me to come up here, come put on myself, but it's not easy. Me want to know if you want me to come up here. Where you want me to come say me live a blood clot bad life when I didn't. The only life me live is disappointment. Me not live one blood clot bad life from the United States of America. I live disappointment life and choose bad people in my life and date people where me not have the fucking business I date. And give me crutch to few wrong blood clot man we don't deserve it.
You give your crutch to few wrong man who don't deserve it. You a picky boy man, so. You, that time in your young age you talk about Marcia. Kind of recently that. And if you go through so much in your young days, and then when you reach in your old days, you realize and start get picky. You're late. You're late. Because you so picky about man and the man where you want and this and that. And you give it away to some wrongful man. That sound like a back in the days when you're young. But why take you when you're old to come to your senses? Well, I mean, I know sometimes when you talk, me can't understand you. Me no know. Me can't understand you sometimes.
I'm married to them. That is what it is. Me now come go on like say. Me now come go on like.
You now come go on like say what?
This blood clot dollar you get paid now for your conversation we have over YouTube. So it go both ways. America consists of poor people.
Our content, YouTube a make money off of. What we are make from YouTube is a drop in the bucket to where they make half a we. So our content and skill, unlike you, we think you have content and you have skill and not making any money. You understand? So when you go talk about our US money we not live off of, with content and with skill we are live off of. So all who getting paid from YouTube, especially, you know, a reasonable sum, we not talk, you know, like all the little small channel them really now make them probably I'll take all 2 months worth of video for make reach a threshold for get a thing. We talk a channel where I make a money and the people them talent and skill and effort that gains them supporters that support whatever content them put out so them can earn. And YouTube make far more than where the people them get as payout. So when you come and chat about, every time you come and you talk about what people are earning on USD. So when you contribute to United States of America, for you continue to come and talk about your US dollars and our US dollar. Who is you? He's nothing but a load of shaving cream. Shaving cream. That's what you are. Nothing but a load of shaving cream. Shaving cream.
Rich people and millionaires. Same way Jamaica consists of poor, rich, and millionaire middle class. So we are chat about.
Which part you put yourself?
As much as we are live up here poor, we can still blood clot. We can still make.
You're past the poor category. You're below poor category. You're beneath poor category. So don't classify yourself as poor. Because you should be shamed after 40-something years to be talking about you live in the land of opportunity. I never know say it was the land of Mary Maca also. So Maca got juke you at times. And you don't have nothing for show from it. You understand? Yeah. 30 a year in one service according to you. And a pension you sit down and wait for. You're supposed to have life savings a live off of. Where is it? You understand? I must say that's why you have twist your age because but the government know your age. So you can't get the pension before time. So you have to just sit and wait on it. And if you're really 50, you have a long way to go. So you should have your present cash from that 30 odd years of service in the medical field. To rock and can spend as you have a mind instead of using your phone to go on the different apps to find out where you can get this, borrow that, the free money and that, the free money. Because that's all you live off of America.
It outside way. And we still have to pay blood clot rent. Same way. When you can't go pick up one little blood clot, wampland dog house and live in a bush and now pay one pussy clot. You can't go light one little masjid with some cursing oil and roast 2 blood clot bread.
And that you go through for. You could do the same thing too. I wonder how you come from. I want parish in Jamaica you come from. You could do the same thing. You could have Tanya and do it. So no need for jealous nobody will do it. And nobody make you the America and waste out your days. You could have there roast breadfruit too and beg look of dinner next door and all them they sitting there too. But you want to live big so you live in America. And live in America and gaining nothing at all.
But we can't do that, bitch. So regardless if we up here and we live in certain way, we are live better than the poor people them. We are live blood clot like the middle class when we poor up here. So get that. We still have to pay. We still have to pay phone bill. We still have to pay blood clot light bill and we still have to.
So the poor people them out here, they just sell and cable and flow, give them free phone. JPS give them free like who can't thief lighting and them get it a free JPS give them. Okay. Water commission give them free water. All the people that own them place give them free place to live. What are you trying to say here, Marcia? I'm not getting you straight. It come like I run a firm gully me I go. This is not a straight. This is a firm gully thing. When we go around the bend and go around the bend. Come in and get you straight here, sir. I don't know where the example you are trying to show the public.
All of that said we are.
Marcia, you need to look into yourself. And that's all you need to do. If you're a big old man becomes granny 1 year and other go. You should not wait till next year to make your changes. You should have made that changes long time. You understand? You're a ball boy, you're going to make change. Come next year, I'm going to be a little different. You can't be no different. You're going to be the same you.
And that you do, are you buying to the doctor? Go sew it up.
Chyn?
Because it stink up the whole of my blood clot page.
Chyn?
And that you need to go do. That's exactly what you need to do. Yeah. You think when I come up here, come, go on, and feel like so when I walk up here, yeah. I don't know when you come over there about yeah, call up my name. Don't call up my name. Go find something do. If you live in Jamaica, you're proud of blood clot. Jamaica Christmas time now. Go take your fucking video and go downtown. Jamaica string up nice and pretty. Go blog about it and tap come off from a pussy clot name, bitch ass girl. Chyn, you me a blood clot chat. With you. You know say you can't sing. Yeah? What make you go open up one blood clot go along in a record, go sing.
You're jealous of a Chyn nice sexy voice, you know. Because true, she go up on Chyn page and see people typing up, say Chyn can sing and Chyn have good voice and Chyn a good comedian and Chyn this. You're jealous, you know, because she feel like say she's supposed to be the only one in that category. But you have not been nominated. You understand? So just like how you did plan to give yourself an award at your gala, you have to go nominate yourself to be the person where you want to be. But who will give you the award? You give yourself a really award? No, sir. Yes, Chyn can sing. And you're jealous because you feel like so you're the best thing. You understand? Yes. And you don't have a song out there.
I say if you can go fuck to the producer them that Jamaica since I think you're after you're good looking and you're pretty, and go get yourself a contract. Then over there tell us said, oh, you can't sing better than the one we call ourselves entertainer. So girl, what making a galang?
So Chyn, why you tell Father God to give you so much beauty? Why you tell Father God to make you look so sexy? That caca not get none. And she a cuss you. Hey. I did warn you. But you never want hear. Me did tell you say Marcy I go come rush you this year. Me did warn you. But you never want hear. Hey, hey.
Go fuck one of the producers them at town. Since I see her always over there take up for whatever name. What make it a galang to what's his name? Make him a producer. What make it a galang down there? Since
you always a pick up for her, when you go to the project, you know who she had to ask? Lady at town and the lady at town manager. Hey, she can't listen insert, you know. Hey, not she alone, the whole of them. If they might do a video and the video long as 1 hour and 20 minutes, when them reach 1 hour, you say, yes, the video I go done now. Thank God. Them not say 99 or nothing pertaining to 99. You see, before you could have done, thank God, here comes 99 on the wide outside at 99 to 1. Passing the winning post. Them depend the woman name.
Since you're going like you're a blood clot big singer, you're more than anybody else. And you're good looking and pretty. Everybody go fuck one and produce something that get a contract.
Jealous so you're ugly.
And
you have a pot cover fish.
And that you do. Yeah, go on.
Hey, who knows stingrays? I'm not supposed to know stingray or stingray. I see him, so I see a face brother like a stingray, you know. I see a face and yeah, I look just like the stingray them. So you have a right because people about them beauty and their looks. You have a right because you're sorry say I never you look so.
I like say you're more blacker than anybody else. If you're a comedian, you get a blood clot boss. If you're a comedian, you want to act like a mixed look, like a pantomimes.
No feel no way, no Chyn. A big share, big you up. All of this what she has said, a sister she talent in you. You understand? That's why she utter all of this. She see the talent in you. But, you know, people like them, yeah, not like to see people, you know, can carry themselves certain way. Just like what them don't want to see people successful. But a big share big up Chyn. She recognize your talent. You understand? Yeah, man. Despite she cause you, a big share big up, and your talent she see, so she get her jealous. So she try to take it tell you.
Go along a town at Christmas time, now go just up in a Miss Lou blood clot outfit and go down town, go entertain the people them, and put one blood clot pudding pan in front of you and go collect. And that if you go do.
No, but you are the more established entertainer, you know do that. And at this time you want more than a pudding pan, you want a half a jump. Because a pudding pan of silver can't help you. You need a whole half a jump of silver. And if you are the big deal and the more established entertainer, comedian, and you not do it, you know say Chyn have a good looks. Clear color. Sexy as what you say. She don't need to do that. She don't need to do that. She don't need to do that, man. You need to do that because nobody now look at you.
Every day the pan name a chat. I want to make people. What kind of fucking secret Miss Lady have for me? What kind of blood clot secret?
No, she have to go out for Queen was. Where you come out for people for where you talk?
Stretch out argument. Use one of the reasons on social media. Uno is a crab in a blood clot barrel. Eh? You know what I come out and cuss the bitch ass girl? Cause me here she make a statement come talk about me look like one man. So prison would have fit me. Because said me look like one man, me talk like a man, and sometimes she hear me a talk. It come like say me woulda go with one woman. Only you bitch ass girl. Because you talk about me every day, so that's means your fantasy.
Chyn, why you ever say the woman favor man? Eh? Why you ever say the woman favor man, Chyn? No, sir. You burn the woman heart, man. You pain her heart with the argument there. She couldn't hold it back, she have to talk.
Fantasize with me. So you're over your page and fantasize about me pussy, bitch. That's what you're doing. That's why me come and rub her out. Me more feminine than you. You're bright. And you are lost our fight because every day you not sit down and fantasize about one woman, a yard, and everybody else. So anybody want to go suck pussy, are you? But every day they are foreign sit down and call up the woman name. So you fantasize too. So no difference in night. Every day you sit down. We are foreign. All Chyn that Jamaica and the rest what you talk about that Jamaica. We are fantasize. At least it take a short minutes. Some short minutes are probably 1/2 hour. Twitch past some of them there, because we have so much highway and byways now. You have to go up in a year. If you come here and you sit down on the woman name. So you don't make a difference. I was jealous all them people sit down on that name too. Who sit down on that name out here sit down on it for good. Not uno. We are sit down on the woman name for bad. Bitch. Not me. Because when you look for your page, you a woman over there. And that's exactly you sound like one. Because you don't sound like you get not even a man, much as a blood clot dog. You have a man said that me practically every night. You understand? So I say let you know. So anybody who look. Are the new man that? Because me say she have one new man, you know. And told she talk like how the new man. So man saying a year old is so you change man. You change man more than you change your wig them. And you change wig often. Because you them cheap you change often, but you come like you run contest now with your wig and man. Because it come like you change man more than how you change wig now. No sir. Man say you're big man, don't get a hold of yourself. Don't wait till next year. Take the couple of rest of days left in this year and try to get a hold of yourself and come next year, you know, so you come fresh. Don't wait till next year. It not look good. Like one who sound like one of you. Because you don't sound like you get no fuck. You sound like you just step on Facebook every day to talk about people. You don't sound like you relax. You don't see me. So who she talk about every day on social media? On Facebook and what she want there? I be a robot. I be an animal. Okay, so now people you talk about master. Sorry. I never know. Relax and can smile. Eh? Where you sit down by your Facebook I do. I chat people. That's why I come out of here. Because of her statement which she make. I only depend on social media was a push thing. People always come on Facebook to talk. No. Chyn, why you try to draw out wingless was to talk Marcia business? Because I come like a that bun Marcia, you know. Oh, you depend on your page and I talk up the things them like you try to force the was to say something. When Marcia don't really want the was to say. You hear Marcia say, who know people like who know depend on social media and I draw out and I try to draw out. So you want the was to draw out and talk about Marcia business. Marcia don't want that to happen, you know. So try less the woman and rest her back chin. Rest the woman back your stone already enough breadfruit and coconut and rotten pear from your gate. Alright? Leave her now. Me know say she call me. From me see the number about New Jersey with no name. Well, in this video she take on Chyn, then she take on this as somebody where I call her and I go. I mean I know. Then she move on to Dana. Then she come back off of Dana and she go back on Chyn. So we don't want to hear nothing about this woman where I call like we don't even know who. So we are gonna move on. How me man not drive and me have to pick up man bitches. If you ever see the car we have. If you ever see the car we have, you don't know nothing about family and you don't know about nothing about friend. Me never pick him up yesterday. Is my friend and if I want to pick him. So are the new man car make you
cling on to him so. Because I'm a braggadocious car. Because you love both people carry and people things, you know. Like how you talk about you have man of Jamaica we are running down and love you like that until you come to Jamaica BMW and give you drive. And all the come me see you come to Jamaica. Me never see you drive a BMW yet. You understand? All the come me see last time you come here one vaccine me see you drive. So what the man will give you the BMW for drive you in the parish where you live. Or where him live. Now you come out. So this a new man here. I wait him have so make you have to pick him up from work and him have car. And picnic can pick him up with car. And you never used to pick up the little dirty foot man. Oh, you never want nobody see you with the dirty foot man. Okay. A backdoor deal with the dirty foot man. But that one you up front. Oh, the dirty foot man a bandolo man. Oh, that one you up front you pay for him. Okay. Okay. Up front you pay for that man, your people.
I pick him up. And fast, you fucking fast because the man you can't pick up the man. What a thing. You have any man to pick up? You have the man to pick up? You have any to pick up? Oh, him don't have no car. Shame on me. Me a pick up man we have no car. Oh please. Oh please. Hard working man 12 hours a day is him work. For 12 hours a day, 5 days a week.
And you broke
and him have him Chris blood clad car.
And you broke so?
If you not have to pick up, if me tell us me pick him up, I pick him up. You're bright and out of order. The only homeless person you is you are the only homeless person, bitch. Cause anyway they have here whisper. Cause that means you live on a living job. Are you there somewhere where you can't even chat good? With your underprivileged dirty self. Attack. You're going to see enough ride. So go pick him up.
As long as you and him attack, it not seems like you and him going to talk for too long. Because the man just take 2 rides out of the ghetto bicycle. You understand the man tell every single time stocious car as well you see and drive. So you want to keep fit. You know? On the old postman bicycle. You get a bicycle because you must get a bicycle. You know? Just stay fit here. You know, you get a bicycle man, so the man want to stay fit, you know. Them whole time postman bicycle, yeah. So after the man get 2 rides out of you, and them ride go down from this and come back up so, and them ride and them ride and them ride and ride, bling, bing, 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 bing. Your time expired. Move on. So you have a right to say what you say.
I'm going to show you something. Long. If I feel blood clot car and you are by gas in there. And if you are blowing on my blood clot is a night time, you bitch, go get your one man. If I even want homeless one, go get one. You're bright and out order. I wish him know which place you call him homeless so that see how much blood clot God you are serve. Because you must think say one like a punk ass man near chat to. You're lucky your hide. Your blood clot 30 teeth your box of your head. Are you false sleep them. You're lucky some men know which place you hide. Are the right smile that you have trouble if you know how it is. Me not ask you anyway your blood clot you get fine. Me not ask you, me not take back no talk. Are the right man that? Are the right man that you have fuck yourself with? Me not ask you, me not take back no talk. You better hide. You better hide and do what you want to, because any time no spy them here tell us them a fix you. Either him a fix you or I must send people and come fix you. That's why me said me not chat to no blood clot man again who can't take up for me. Them have to support me whether I'm a cuss or cuss now.
So a defense here look. A defense here look. So you want to take up people boy pitney if you come defend you when you're in a social media give yourself problem. Eh? A defense here look. People boy pitney you want to put at risk. To defend you with your foolishness. But I want to ask you. Are the new Jamaican gun god? Because I know one DJ Jamaican named Gun God, but he named Gun God for a different reason. But it come like here, man, you son know a Gun God. Because it look like him untouchable. Because to you attack, you set him up, you bait him up people that want to know him too. Because it look like him a Gun God. Because it look like up a tank where he make cars with steel and all them sitting there. So him untouchable, him can go look for people and send people for people. That's how powerful him is. No man with no power no want you. No man with no power no want you. You understand? So I want to go wishy man you have again. Because be a them man they see you. Any other man see you outside of something like a wishy dirty foot man. A man will just have make game of you. Like the man at the supermarket. As him greet you. He might invite you at gym. But 8 still him tell you say, I like him a long time. And you see him all about as well, you say you just see like say the man really like you and you start blush. So that make you come on phone and talk about what heap of man look me. What heap of man look me. Oh, I chew me no want them. Play them and play your master. The one them I want you are them little wishy man here. Where probably you have a little edge over them. You understand? Yeah.
Because when me this side of them and when me and them together, them not hear none of this. Them I get all the nice loving and the classy side of Marcia. Only when me dey on YouTube. Me already done prep him already. I said, listen to me. I am going to be cursing when I go.
That's mean this man is a new man. She already prep him already. You understand? That's mean this man is not the man that get the whole massage in about 6, 7, 8 weeks, 9 weeks, 10 weeks ago. You understand? And if him is the same man, whether they get the massage, or the same dirty foot man, or is a different man, a 3 man that in a Marcia, if you're a big old man in chase and no time, you see say you change man no more than your week. You start change man more than your week no Marcia, because this a man you want new man. Because if you go say you prep him and tell him say this and YouTube and you know say you look at social media and him say okay, me know man. Hey, that means he's a new man. Because if I the same old time man I did a massage you and all them sitting there. Where you talk about and a show foot and miss a foot, you know? You wouldn't have to come tell with this. Because him did already know that. And we would have known say him no. Because you're there on live over and over when him dead. No, sir. Man, say changing man go around, changing your wig them.
But me and him now cuss each other and disrespect each other. You understand? Say, listen, do your thing. Me know you're there on your Facebook and whatever. That don't bother me. You understand? But when me and him together, him not going to hear this on Marcia. Him not going to hear this on Marcia. But as long as we dey on Facebook, me I defend myself. And him agree with me to defend myself.
Agree with
and
you.
as long as a man know say, if me I do something, and he must support me in that way to defend myself, and know say behind closed door, me and him not disrespect each other or whatever it is, then it's fine.
He might defend you now. Because he want to get in and get couple ride off of the bicycle. Get a bicycle. He want to get a ride off of the get a bicycle. As soon as him get to ride and the old tire puncher and blow out on the back, him gone, Marcia. Him gone, Marcia. Because you want to get a bicycle, you want to get a bicycle. Get a bicycle, you want to get a bicycle. Them girl over there, so they want to get a bicycle. Get a bicycle, they want to get a bicycle. Every man come ride them, get a bicycle. Marcia, you're getting up in age. You need to do better. You're not setting an example for the younger folks. None at all. For a big deal. Humanitarian, social media personality. You are not setting any example when you come on social media and behave and talk all these type of way. What you give the younger lads to go away with. You make them feel like what they might do is right. Because if them can't hear a big old woman like you talk certain things, them are going to feel like what they might do is right. If they might do the same thing as you, they might going to feel like say it right. And if they might do something even less than you, they might say, watch it. Then she do all them sitting there for big woman and kind of talk. They want to me in my prime and me young and nature, strong and all kind of sitting. When me if you do, and me and I'm salt more than she, because she watch her pressure, she diabetic. And, you understand? They might going to feel like it's okay. So you need to do better than that. I can't wait for 2024 and I say I shouldn't wait for so long. But let's see how it work out. Because I know you're not change for change. Because you're never born as Hulk, sister. You don't look like Hulk. But you're never born as Hulk, sister. Hulk alone me no change. So I don't think you're going to change in 2024. You understand? Because you only look like Hulk, sister. But you is not Hulk, sister. So you're not going to change.
You know, see me have been nice blood clot 6'2" man beside me. 34 waist. Dark and so. We are interfere with me for.
6'2", wearing 32
you have no, listen, me don't know when I go find one man when I drive now. You know, see me drive him don't need for blood clot. Like let me drive him. At least me I pick him up from work, so me know which part him there. So me know me pick him up from work, me know say me ma come in can't got no blood clot woman. So me if you pick him up. That means say when I say come from work I me get him first. Before I go along a few there is a woman they will have. Isn't that nice?
Marcia, you know your old days I know I watch man. I try time and take because you find out the man a done pan you. You're not going to find the husband to buy you the house. So you take out the people them boy picking in a year old days, you know. I talk about at least you get him first. And you want me to pick him up. Right, so all the rest of the man, I couldn't go pick him up. I find out the man a done pan you. No, sir. Look like you find out the man a done pan you. Anyway, it's time for her to insert the woman and her little pitney. You understand? This woman here, I go give the woman advice. Where she live a land of opportunity where she boasts about every day. And it's still her grandson as his first birthday. And she never see it fit for drive go over there. She can't afford a plane ticket to fly. And she never see it fit for drive go over there. But she's here telling 99 to carry Joshie to Emancipation Park, Devon House, and all these places. Like she knows sister a fly, Joshie a fly. Joshie a fly where you not do. Because since your freeness cut off, you have not well a flight. And this wouldn't be like you in a festive season. You understand? Let's hear our people.
And a womb, and those people just become embedded to her in a way for exposing that type of life, and it take them back. It drag out them nightmare, and because of that, them cling to her. That's all I can put it. Them cling to her. Them cling to her. Them cling to her. Because it take them back into a place. It bring them back into a place, and it's like a hypnotizing, controlling situations. You understand? And she no look so good for herself them time there. And then now them start look and see. Because, I mean, you're tired for watching the same thing over and over. It's like you go and you see the same thing. Nothing. That girl don't bring nothing. For the same thing over or sit on one place. We just go by YouTube a while ago, me pass, and I see one video where she...
You, as me do a day, me compare some videos of... Cause I must say best them there. Cause are you go in your archive and carry out them photos there, how you are dressed back then and a long time you are dressed. And if I them the dressing there, you could have find as your best dressing from your archive. If you compare with 99 dressing. I here's 99 of the fashion dressing. And you can't walk near none of her fashion dressing them. You understand? So stop compare yourself, because if you want nobody go in your archive go pick out the worst set of picture of them, you know. And you come on social media show them. And comparing to 99, all of 99 Instagram page with full of her picture of them from she dress from Wappy Kill feed up from she go dance all. You can't match up to none of them. Or you have so much things to talk about. And you're alright. You're not alright.
Your son. But at Devon House, up the pretty. At that you do. A time you sit down on social media, like on YouTube, like a big blood clot coronation market. Carry the pitney. Carry the picnic along up Emancipation Park, up the pretty at Christmas time. Whole heap of families up there in the grass. Carry him go up Devon House. Them always have Christmas.
Where did you carry Romy for his first birthday? You wasn't even present for Romy's first birthday. You come on your live, a beg money, if you go visit Romy. Can you imagine? But you can come now and tell the woman to carry Joshie, you have to carry Joshie there. So a plain Joshie you take. And you talk about common place, Emancipation Park where all madman can walk, you know. Devon House where all madman can walk, you know. Common places you're talking about.
Game up there and popcorn and cotton candy and all kind of something pretty up there. Carry him up there, get ice cream. Night time you carry him go everywhere. Jamaica pretty at Christmas time in a Kingston. But no, you want to see the you want to catch up on social media, answer people and drop out on people. Yeah, that is what it is. At that you have to make.
And she's finding time to do all that and making her money. But you're there finding time to watch her and not making a dime. Why do you say you got your storage and 2 little copper money. Wait, let me show you. If this drop from a man at Jamaica, I'm never look upon it. A $10 this. Let me see if I have a $5. If that $5 drop from a man at Jamaica, him never look upon it. Unless I go him and go somewhere and drop and it's a part of the money. If that $1 drop from a man, you not see it. Him not see it because him not look for it. And me see, overnight, you drop, because you say from the night before it drop. One ears ring drop out of your ears. And 2 that copper, must be penny, you say it name. And you pick them up. And your excuse was to make you looking good. Or to make you look good. Is that the Chiny. Now I left them your road, you know. You're not Chiny, man. You're Chiny. Eh? You're Chiny. You're Chiny. But Chiny now I left them your road, you know. So I not left in them, you're Chiny. And that alone you want to see if you eliminate from the Chiny them. And that alone you see where you can take from the Chiny them. That's the only thing you see. Look how China live good. With them one another. Shop here, shop there. You never see one of them wake up at morning time and throw out water and never go up with them shop. When you come at this one them say you don't have it, go over there. China buy them buying a bulk for the whole of them one another for work it out cheaper. Why you can't take that off of the China them? You take the worst thing if you walk and pick up 2 little copper cent. And if you look good, you come class the China them. Go ahead. Broken pauperizing.
And that's exactly
and I talk about people who can find food over you.
And go carry him about the place. And that's all you come up here, brag. How much money you make. And that if you go do. That if you go carry Josh you go do. At Christmas time at Jamaica now, Christmas, whole heap of things in a town. Whole heap of little place you go walk up and down.
You're there a big foreign. And you say you're alright. And what they may you show off, probably and next year do man get that the $50 there. How much you gonna send $50 come give a certain individual where I must say I keep some treat or something sitting down a country. You understand? $50. What is $50 US? $50 US is just over $7,000. Then I got Crab City. And when she done order and support the people, then my bill come to 7,000 odd. And at the end of the day, when she pay her bill for 7,000 odd, she give each one of the vendors $3,000. That is $9,000. At Jamaica she live in. And you're there foreigner send $50 US come to Jamaica for a charitable purpose. $50 US for so kakati and alright. Not even 100 enough, 50. A person like you should not send 50, but you not send none at all. Leave that to people who stay in them lane and be themselves. You went up staying in your lane, not supposed to send $50. $9,000 she give after she to the same vendor that she buy from and spend her 7,000 odd. She give $9,000 to them, 3,000. When you gonna live to do that?
But no, you want to on social media in a competition with me.
With you?
All you are doing a competition with me. Because I call myself a big deal.
Roach, move.
You want
fly
to
away,
say
Roach.
a bigger deal. You could never catch my standard. Me a big blood clad entertainer professional. Me there before you.
Broke one.
But you just
the
want
broke
to be in a
one.
competition with me. And say you're a big deal. You're not a big deal. You know reach big deal status yet. You're a big deal if you build up a little house in my yard. That's where it is. You're no fucking big deal. You know reach my status yet. When you can chat like me.
What is your status?
Intelligently, when you can name like me, when you can dress like me, when you can travel like me, go.
All your traveling like off. Where is your achievement from all of the above? Where is your achievement from all of the above? What I want you do? I want you go to Bank of America and take up your book where you have, your American book where you always a wave. And when you go to the teller, you push it in like a your backyard. I'm not so much money you get off of it. Move!
Cases like me, have experience like me. When you can't cope and give whole heap of good talk, it will make sense. Because no girl can't give no advice if you never been married. You can't give no relationship if you never live with a man for a long time or having experience and dating and do anything and do.
Yeah, marriage could have
so whenever you reach my status, then you can't be a big deal. You don't reach a big deal yet. You must see a big deal for Mountain View, not a foreign.
Hey, you're jealous bad, you know. You hear your voice, you're jealous bad. Give what due to Caesar, man. Give what due to Caesar. And man, your tongue seize up in your head.
Me da foreign. Me na big blood clot country, 300 million people. You're that country with 2.5.
That's all your boss about. What is your achievement?
Yeah, big deal for feel like a planka shop. That's what it is. So it's a big deal. So I hit a boner. Yeah, I hit a boner. Made a big deal. I made this and no. You stay in your ass lane. You stay right here in a coffee shop with me. So that's exactly what I'm going to say to you, the one Chyn you. Yes. You're too fucking enough. And let me tell you something, girl. Me a strictly dickly. And from now until when God take the last breath out of me, don't call me name in your mouth.
You hear that, Chyn?
So stay over there with yourself.
Don't call your name in the woman's mouth.
And go fuck yourself.
Don't call.
And go live your self life. And go reason about your blood clot self and don't reason.
Chyn's still young, you know. So she not have to do that. I think you more have to do that. And I better you do that. More than you change, man. More than you change your wig right now in your age group. You understand? Time for you to retire from that. Chyn's still young. She not have to do that to herself. You more need to do that right now. And you're more better off. Trust me. Trust me, you're better off.
It's not about me. Because you're a blood clot journalist. You're nothing but a blood clot mongrel dog bitch.
Chyn?
A fuck out mongrel dog with Jamaica man they are fuck.
Chyn?
You see you act and you look good. I'm sure you must can find one producer at Jamaica with fuck figure know how to conduct them page and how to come up with proper shows
idea
and
then.
talk about things.
You show your food.
When me I talk about when I first
you have so
came
much
about
idea
the
make people
program
make
that I
money and you broke
implemented,
like a dog.
they weren't doing it. I made them copy and I do it. Me now ask you, if you look at their beginnings of how they started out on social media, they weren't giving no advice because some of them are in no position to give no advice. I was the only person out here to give advice. Always motivating, always giving makeup tips and with my own little way how to treat your skin and how, what to put on this, how to dress, how to do this, traveling, out just out there just pushing out to just make ourselves, you know, live a life and we don't have to have no big money. But all of a sudden, when them take with my idea and run with it now, then come across me. All the woman here, she take with all of my ideas them copy from me and go make it in her own.
And you have the heart to
and
talk
then she
that.
come out and attack. I will first come up with love and relationship something at night time. Yeah? Before she over there giving her something and I giving a poor man.
Nobody know it. Nobody know if you're one.
Who first? Who first come on social media do live in
Who
a bed?
first you play?
Who first come on social media cook food now and I share food and
Never know who first you play.
and I cook pata and something from me for my living job them. And I show food. Who would do that? Who first come and I play music and I pretend to have radio station and all them sort of something here? Who come first and sing karaoke and I dance and I do a kind of something? I mean, nowadays everybody take up mic and sing. Who? Go look at it. Go on Facebook and look at it. Who first come out here dress up like an idiot with all that kind?
Who first share play people? Who first do this? Who first do that? Who first? What is your achievement from who first? Who first? I want an ancient malarkey, you know. Who first born them right in a long time? So if a who first you play, you're not going to get nothing from who first. Because who first never go and left nothing behind. And just the same way you are going to follow him, you are going to go and you're not going to left nothing behind. Sorry for poor Romy. Justice Romy. Oh, no, about justice Coco. Oh, justice Romy. I see him, so you are going to go like who first? We go home from Asian days.
Pat my head kind of sitting and I keep with lipstick plaster with 3 wig band tap and ears ring and sexy TT. Go look. I want the movie night now.
This woman that she come on social media and talk about her achievement behind all of what she has said. You understand? All of what she and the ideas and what she do and what people take. You should have talked about your achievement from it. There is so much things you talk about and you can't show no achievement from it. And you have the heart to come and talk about it. Good God, man. You don't have no mind, you don't have no shame, you don't have no guts, you don't have gut. but you don't have no guts. You have gut in a mass, but you don't have no guts. Because you shouldn't come around and talk the message. No man never tell us she sing and she go say, why did she say they not take up mic and sing? Then just they enjoy herself and the mic is there. Then not tell us she take up singing professional. And at the same time, then I have the heart and the courage to go in our studio, go do something. And you're a big singer, how we can't hear nothing for you, how we can't see you going in the studio.
Where you say? Well, you know, so she always a copy me, so that done nothing. You know, say everything we should copy.
Everybody copy and make money. And you can't. Everybody copy your ideas and be better off than you. And you can't make no money.
All kind of something. She have every fucking thing I have in my house. She make Carol buy them. Scream shot them, make Carol buy them. Care come. Don't from.
So Carol, we're in the business all long doing this thing. Carol can advise Dana what to buy. That Dana have to go up on your page and screenshot what you have in your house. Or Dana go screenshot what you have in your house now. When you're in your house, a show, I do a live or whatever, it's just a little spot we can see. So all those things Dana have in her house, you should screenshot and get it from. Or she get to screenshot it. Hey, you don't lie, you know? You don't lie bad.
Curtain down the wall, decor everything. Set up our house just like mine, with a clock on wall, all kind of city. What she see in my living room, all kind of something.
Are you are the first of clock in your place, man?
And when she copy me, the buy now set up. Well, at least I'm her inspiration. So it's good to see that she admire me, and the things that I have.
You want a phone call now?
And then I see that you know. One day she move her wall and she put up all kind of something over her wall like a flower.
Bellevue truck come
and
phone.
She barely put the camera. When the camera catch over, she hide it. She don't want to buy it. You can't put it up. It look nice. Fix up one side of your wall with the whopper flowers them and the whopper something up on my wall. It's good to know, and that's what people don't realize, that she admire me. Me know that.
Yeah, I know. She well want to call me
about
than a cuss here.
And she copy everything that I do. She soon put me tell them already, you know. She soon put country some people for me. Me ain't stay there.
She well want a phone call.
She soon put country some people for me, you know.
She dying for a phone call.
Wait and see. She wait, my thing. She so cool country some people for me. All she had chat there. Me is her inspiration. She take everything when me tell her. Every fucking thing. So she carry Josh go Emancipation Park. Out of Devon House.
You continue to have Emancipation Park and Devon House. What is wrong with you?
And that's what do. Yes. Start bake cake before Christmas. Couple days before Christmas and carry the pitney. Go and carry pitney to a hotel. And when you come back, you bake cake.
What did you do what day when you're most famous and lovely and loving grandson as his first birthday? What did you do? Did you drive to the state that he's in? Did you catch a in-state flight, in-country flight and go look for him? No. So who is you? What credibility you have now to come tell this woman about our son where she take all over in a Jamaica and take pan plane? Your grandson just had his first birthday sometime last week or week before last. You was not present. And you want to go look for him now and you can't even go look for him after your own expense. You beg money if you go look for him. You claim to say you buy a big truck for him birthday. Where the big truck, I bet you never buy the truck and go look for him. You're present to that more felt. But probably you can't go there. Probably your son no want you there. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of this video. You know what to do. Continue to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And the Young Entrepreneur College Student link of our YouTube channel is also in the comment section pin. Give her a subscription. No matter how much channel you no subscribe to on YouTube, you no pay $1. You no lose no gigabyte, no megabyte, no gigabyte, no farmer byte, no byte, you no lose not even dog byte. And remember, the cash up pin in the comment section. You ask sorry to get it. $ Life is a Mission TV. You give me, I use the gift to give back to somebody who is in need, especially in this festive time. You know, everybody wants sitting. And some people, if I even a bread and a tin of sardine, them with a glad feet in the festive season. Yeah. Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching again. All new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Miss P, big up.